Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lit cocktail. We will cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the final, dramatic flourish. Creating a flaming cocktail is an impressive skill that will surely captivate your guests. It adds a spectacular visual element to any gathering, transforming a simple drink into an unforgettable experience. Get ready to elevate your mixology game with these exciting techniques. Safety is paramount when working with fire and alcohol. Always use a sturdy, heat-resistant glass, like a tempered glass, to prevent cracking. Have a fire extinguisher or a damp cloth within arm's reach, just in case. Make sure your serving area is clear of any flammable decorations or paper. Remember, a small flame can quickly become a larger issue if precautions are not taken seriously. Your well-being and that of your guests are most important. For a truly lit cocktail, ingredient selection is key. You will need a high-proof alcohol, ideally at least 80 proof, such as rum or grain alcohol for a reliable flame. Prepare your other cocktail ingredients like liqueurs and juices in advance. Have your long-handled lighter, jigger, and heat-resistant serving glass ready. Precision in measuring is crucial for both taste and safety, ensuring a controlled and beautiful burn. Now for the exciting part, the flame. Gently float about 1/4 to 1/2 ounce of high-proof alcohol on top of your prepared cocktail. Use a long-handled lighter to carefully ignite the alcohol. The flame should be steady and controlled. Allow it to burn for a few seconds, creating that spectacular visual. Always extinguish the flame completely, perhaps by covering the glass, before serving the drink to ensure everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.